Short grooves. Count with me and tap the hi-hat on each count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Play the snare every time you say 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Play the kick every time you say 1 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. So it's not this. Look how frantic I look. My elbows are jutted out, flailing around. It feels really sloppy. This is what we want. Control. Elbows in, wrists doing the work. My Better Hands course and Better Feet course will help you if you're having a hard time making this groove sound good. The courses are broken up into modules, and most modules contain a lesson, how to practice section, and exercises to solidify what you've learned. There's also a To the Kit section that will help you apply everything to the drum set. For the 8th note groove, I recommend starting with the free stroke and stopping the stick modules. They'll help you play the hi-hat smoothly and consistently and develop lots of control on your snare hits.